To try and understand this need for speed, I've come here to New Zealand. Look at it. It's an achingly beautiful place, and yet all anyone seems to do here is dream up new and exciting ways of killing themselves. There's bungee jumping, obviously, and then there's this, the ridiculous Zorb ball. And of course, there's jet boating. But now they've surpassed themselves with this. It's a plane that has no wings. It hangs from a network of cables that are strung out between two hills. And it has an engine with a propeller on the back, so you can control it and steer it. They call it fly-by-wire. Odd, isn't it? I'm back now exactly where I started from, and yet I'm fizzing. After 5 minutes on this thing, I feel alive.